Hello, my friend. This video is going to be a little bit different. I hope you enjoy it. I got a comment on my review for the Decoart Iridescent Varnishes from a DS. And D asked what would happen if we mixed the two varnishes together, the turquoise and the violet. They wanted to know if it would give us some sort of rainbowy sheen. So of course, I had to try it out because rainbows, and also because I love getting requests from you. I absolutely love trying out new products, so if there's anything that you want to see tested out, if there's any process that you want to see done before diving into it yourself, let me know. I would absolutely love to try that for you. I will buy blindly, so you don't have to. And I mixed the two together. The result was astonishing. It literally blew my mind that initially it was going to be a very short video to get the answer out there, but once I saw the result, I had to gush. I absolutely had to gush. So without further ado, here's what happened. Hello, my friend. I got a request to see what these two Decoart Iridescent Varnishes look like mixed together. But first, let me show you what they look like by themselves. When I did the review for these iridescent varnishes, I actually did them, the colors that is, on the smooth surface of some picture frames. So this is actually a really good test to see how they look on a canvas. And they are just beautiful. Now that we've got the colors separate, it's time to mix the two together and see what we're going to get. Okay, whew, I'm excited. Let's see. No way. No way, come on. It looks blue. Oh my goodness. Holy bleep. That's so freaking cool. It looks like the blue Decoart varnish. I mean, I've never seen it in person. I've been trying so hard to get that bottle. Okay. I have to calm down. I'll have to paint it and then see what it looks like all dry. And then I can freak out. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at absolutely how blue it is. It's like an absolute miracle. Holy moly moliness. It is so pretty. I have no way of knowing if this is exactly as blue, you know, the right shade of blue that the actual blue varnish is, but I've seen pictures and another application video, and I would say this is super close, if not identical. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Oh my God, right? Right? So I have been going crazy looking for the Decoart Iridescent Blue varnish ever since I made the video for the 2 other varnishes. And around the time I was making that video, it was probably less than a year ago, let's say somewhere between 9 and 10 months ago. I had found one website that was selling a bottle, Amazon, and I bought it. It was a little bit more expensive, but totally worth it to get the bottle that I wanted. And weeks went by, eventually the ship date passed, and I got the message that it just wasn't gonna come. They canceled the order. It's just astonishing how much of a happy accident that was. So thank you very much, Dee, for suggesting that we mix that together. You really, really changed my world. Because this is a product that I've been looking for a long time, and you helped me make something that is comparable to it. So again, really, thank you. And thank you, the viewer, right now for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I know it's a different kind of format that I normally have. If you have any suggestions or comments, keep it nice, keep it happy, but I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. So thank you very much for watching, and have a magical day.